The one mistake ED made was that because he knew he was unpopular, a 50% president, he created power structures within ZANU-PF to push his agenda and consolidate power. In doing so, he circumvented the party's structures, manipulated processes, and even sidelined the old guard. Half Mnangagwa is the past. That is why KF3 is dead. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Likewise, out of fear that the army expected him to honor his promise that Chwenga would replace him, he begged sections of the military. Since then, nearly 50 high-ranking, battle-hardened military leaders have died under oftentimes mysterious circumstances in an effort to circumvent government systems and processes. He created a parallel cabinet of advisors and business people to whom he allocated tenders and entrusted the government work through his office. In the process, this parallel cabinet became powerful and wealthy through tenders, public-private partnerships, and appropriating government assets. As they enriched themselves and monopolized opportunities, they evolved into cartels that shut out other businesses, including military-aligned businesses, from key sectors of the economy. As a result, the clique around the president now uses handouts in the form of cash and money to co-opt remaining generals, key ZANU-PF leaders, government officials, MPs, and influencers in order to cultivate support for an unpopular president and his KF3 retirement plan. However, despite lavishing kingmakers and protectors of the realm with gifts and patronage to co-opt them, the problem is that the KF3 stars refuse to empower them with the dues and business opportunities that made them the KF3 stars wealthy. Roma development anobulanya kupangwa ina kutendo matinyarari. Recommend section medu za fungra imo to leave on page to page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.